cocoa?
Taste a little bit of it.
Yeah.
I'm baking a cake. I'm mixing.
Go ahead. I told you.
I'm baking a cake at 2 a.m. in the morning.
Ay, kaya tingnan mo yung ano mo, madilim.
I know
And we
it's
need a
dark.
teaspoon of...
Don't we need 3 bowls for these? For the wet ingredients and for the
We're
dry?
only going to need that.
Oh. I'm mixing at 2 a.m. Yes.
Make sure you get that mixed up good.
Oh, and this is going on YouTube.
We're making a cake at 2 in the morning.
That's what I said.
IKR. Oh, we need some sugar. Okay, I'll put that on here.
Need to put all the dry ingredients.
We need 2 cups.
I'm baking a cake.
It's actually my cake.
No, it's my cake.
Well, the house's cake.
Look. Sugar. Give me some.
No.
Sugar. This is what I'm gonna draw, Kate. We're gonna eat turkey cake. Are you sure I have to mix this while all the ingredients aren't in it yet?
No, they are. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah,
What did it say? Pour the no.
we're not doing that part yet.
I want to pour one liquid.
I have to have it precise. I'll get it and then I'll let you pour one, okay?
We need the mixer, but we need Daddy for that.
Do it like this.
Okay.
Hold on. I just want to get these chunks out real quick. You know what's messed up? All that is going to fit into that.
Yeah, well, if we mix it, I'm gonna need a bigger whisk. Because that is the whisk that goes in the mixer.
Oh no, we're not going to mix that. We're going to put that in the oven.
No, when you pour the
Fact.
liquid, it's just like baking cupcakes, but bigger and not with a cupcake pan or tray.
Alright, so we need
I'm getting all the
2
sides.
cups of cold water.
No milk and eggs. We're doing a wacky cake. What about the frosting?
We're going to make that next.
Yeah.
We're going to make that while the cake is cooking.
There's going to be a lot of part. There's no editing in my iPad. Well, there is, but you can't save it in the gallery, and you can only get it. You can only post something on YouTube that's the one from your gallery. And I have a video editor in my iPad, but it can't save into my gallery, so I can't post the videos I edit on YouTube.
Then don't edit them.
I know, but this is going to have a lot of parts because we have to wait and stuff. My tummy
Teaspoon of
hurts.
baking soda.
I'm glad because we're going to melt butter. Butter. It's boring. Right? Okay, see you.